Hey everybody, we wanted to have another moment of silence to check out this wildfire, to not only admire it, but to also understand the dangers that come with it. We're here in southern Colorado, just coming into Buena Vista, and it's dry out here, everybody. Let's stay safe. Let's not, if you smoke cigarettes, let's not throw them out the windows. Let's take heed to what can happen. Not saying that that's what started this, but a spark can start a house fire, right? Anything. It can also do this. Ain't see something? We hope and pray that everyone that is possibly affected by these fires are safe and with family members who can shelter them and provide while their structures are being, well, under siege, if you will. It's heartbreaking and inspiring, if that makes any sense at all. It's absolutely incredible. Till the next time, everybody, we're following these wildfires. We're chasing around Colorado to, well, yeah. My name is Joshua Katka. Let's stay connected.